Hello everyone, my name is Tikam. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I'm really excited to share my feedback about my placement journey with Using TechnoServe. First of all, I want to say big thank you entire team at Vision TechnoServe for providing me with such a great opportunity. The guidance, support, and training I received we are truly valuable and helped me prepare for interviews with the confidence. And the team was always there to solve the doubts and mocks interviews and ensure that I was ready to face real world challenges because of their constant support. I'm happy to say that I have been successfully placed at Prosin Techno, Prosin Techno Solutions and 3.2 package. Looking for genuine support and really placement opportunity, I would definitely recommend it. Vision Techno. Thank you once again for helping me take a big step forward in my career. Thank you.